By any means necessary, go vote.
So I just think I'm really Black heritage is very important to me. And growing up in this area, we use our horses to go to school. We use our horses to go to the store. And why not use your horse to go vote? So I think it's very important that you exercise your right. And it's also you can exercise your right and be more different. You know, just be original. And I'm all about being original. So I decided to ride my horse to the polls today.
Was it fun?
It was very fun.
Yeah.
To make this decision as one. We all have an equal say. Harris County, and in fact, this entire country is coming.
No, I just think it's important to exercise your right. A lot of people have paved the way for us, and it's a shame for us to let it go to waste. As much stuff that they have been through. So I just think it's important to vote, and may the best candidate win.
Don't let anything stop you. By any means necessary, do it.
All right, so look, we about to head out, man. They kicking us out early tonight, unfortunately. We appreciate y'all getting a whiff of this Mochella, man. If y'all can't tell by the fragrance.